money is made in China.
Clean your cash, Ginger.
I still have it.
Think that
I have a question, interview question. Okay, if you were a donut, what flavor would you be?
glazed.
How does it feel to be a real life Ginger?
Terrible.
Oh. Excuse me?
What's your favorite color? Fruity Pebbles.
If you were a goat, would you mind being milk? If you were a donut, what flavor would you be?
I already asked him glazed.
If I was a donut flavor, I would be.
Boston cream.
I'd know.
That's what I said!
Alright, 5, 6, 7, 1. I don't know how to gallop. I didn't mean gallop. They're gonna attack me and try to throw me on the rock. Yep, I thought so.